Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Gemma Lumboy, 27 years old, single. My father's name is Joel Lumboy and my mother's name is Maribel Lumboy. I have one sister and I am first in the family. I am Catholic and I live in the Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I am high school graduate. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 4 years and I serve 4 members of the family, 1 couple and 2 children ages 6 months old and 2 years old. As a domestic helper here in the Philippines, my duties are taking care of the children, cooking foods, washing dishes, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and marketing. To all the prospective employers in Hong Kong, I hope you choose me as your domestic helper. It's my first time to work abroad, but I am hardworking. I am willing to share room with other helpers. I don't have any tattoos on my body part. I can cook Chinese foods, but I am willing to learn. To all the prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities and I will follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.